Oh hey, I'm Justin. Sorry, I was just tidying up my workspace a bit. My friends like to joke I'm a little over the top when it comes to details, and I guess I can't argue. You should see my garage at home. I must say, being detail-minded, not to mention the fact that I've got the memory of an elephant, comes in handy on the job here at North American Industrial Distribution. I mean, we've got a lot of complex moving parts in this warehouse, and you've got to stay on top of it all. Good thing we have these robots to help us out. I'm just gonna have them grab some parts that my boss said to send out right away. Okay, and they're off. Isn't that cool? Wait, what? There's only 7 parts here. We're missing 3 and we've got to get these off to the customer in just a few minutes. This is a job for just in time. Let's see. I remember we had 3 extra parts in shipping that haven't been shelf-stocked yet. Let's grab those and get all these parts on the truck so our customers get them on time. Whew, that was a close one. Thanks, boss. Just doing my job. See how memory and attention to detail help save the day? Our customers will get what they need on time and come back for more. If you're detail-oriented like me, thrive on solving problems, and want to wear regular clothes like this to work every day. Oops. I mean like this. Then you should consider a career in industrial distribution. Superhero experience not required. For more information and to meet the rest of Team ID, visit idcareers.org now.